Dad!
A dragon will always go for the kill.
Dragon? That's what you're worried about, not the people you killed?
A great man has fallen.
He's not yours anymore.
Stop!
He will not miss a second time.
It's not his fault. You know that.
But did you see the flares in the sky? Were you blinded by the light? Did you feel the smoke in your eyes? Did
Soul of a dragon.
Did you?
It's me.
See the sparks
It's me. It's me. I'm right here, Mama.
Cause someone's out there sending out flares. Did you see the flares in the sky? Were you blinded by the light? Did you feel the
What you're up against, it's like nothing you've ever seen.
smoke?
I promise you, you can't win this one. Once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
Thank you for saving my son.
You never cease to amaze me, bud. Thank you.